Hello, I'm Sharon. Welcome to watch Huazhen Fastener. Today I will analysis from 4 factors that affect the price of drywall spools. First, doubtlessly raw material price is the number one reason. There are several factors affecting raw material price. For example, our government has reinforced environmental protection regulations since 2016, resulting in a decline of production capacity, which explains why our quotation this month differs from that of last month, even with the same conditions. Besides, our quotes have valid time as the price of material fluctuates unpredictably. Whether schools have gone through hardening process is the second reason. Aiming to manufacture the best quality products, we carry on a series of strict procedures to harden drywall schools, which will ensure outstanding performance. For more info on hardening, please refer to our previous video about heat treatment. I'll leave the rest until next feed, so see you then.